Good morning from Las Vegas. We came in last night, went to dinner at a place called Blossom, really nice Chinese food, and now I'm gonna go meet up with Michelle Wong. So it's kind of weird because I've been watching her for years. I've only seen her on like my phone or the laptop, so it is kind of weird to meet someone in person, but I let her know we were coming and if she wanted to meet up for brunch, so we're gonna go meet up for brunch. Might get a picture or two, but I don't want to take the camera out or anything like that. But yeah, we're gonna go do that right now. So it's been a few hours since we met Michelle, but it was at the Bordeaux Brasserie, and if you haven't been there, it's very lovely inside. It was just so surreal meeting her. When you see someone that you've been watching on YouTube for years, I think it's been about 3 years that I've been watching her, to finally meet in person. I think I said, this is so weird meeting you, which also was a weird thing to say. But after that, we had a really nice conversation. She answered a lot of my questions. She was really generous with her time and her information, so I really appreciated that about her. And she's just as lovely in person as she is online, so it was just a real privilege to meet her. And one thing I noticed about her is her skin. So I think you see it on camera that her skin is really pretty, but in real life it was flawless. So I don't know, and I didn't ask what she was wearing on her face or if she had makeup on at all, but it was just so, like, her skin was beautiful. So I think that if there's anything that surprised me, I think that was it. I didn't see pores. Her skin was just really even toned. So it was so fun to meet her. I hope one day to meet all the people I've collaborated with, and the reason why I do collaborate with them is because I watch their videos and they are truly people that I would want to spend time with in real life. I hope that's not the last time we see each other and that we are able to see each other in the future. We went to Sephora here and they really didn't have much, so I was gonna do like a haul or something, or buy some makeup in Vegas, but I didn't see anything. Like, there was nothing exciting. So we're gonna go to the Crystals shops. I think they're pretty luxury, high-end type shops, but maybe they have makeup in there. I think they have like a Gucci and a Tom Ford. So we're gonna look and see if they have anything, but so far no luck. I really tried. I was gonna pick up the other two Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipsticks, but I don't know, I'm not that excited by them, but let me know if you want me to pick them up, and I will. But I feel like a little too late on those. I would have loved them earlier, but yeah, just not as excited about them. Yeah, so we'll hopefully, oh, my makeup's coming apart. Hopefully we'll find some things. I don't know, we'll see. Wow, this is very dangerous looking. Lots of makeup, but I didn't really use most of it. So again, overpacking. What I'm gonna do though is just do a quick get ready because we have an appointment. So I'm just gonna put on a little bit of my Color Science under eye. I think Mandy Davis posted a video that there's like 3 other shades or 2 other shades. I don't know. I think there's more shades of this. I'll link it below if I find it. But it just has a nice color correcting, and then there's some depuffing. Next I'm going in with my Clay to Pose, just like half a pump. And this is my mirror, so. I'm gonna go in with almond, then I'm gonna go in with mocha on these darker areas. So let's go in with powder. I've been loving this one a lot. I actually looked at one by Sisley yesterday when I tried to go find some things to buy.
but it sounded a lot like this powder, the blurring, and when I felt it, it was a gel-like texture. Let me know if I should try that out because I really like this one. I'd kind of like to compare the two. Oh, my skin is really dry here. I think because of the climate and also because of the fact I haven't been drinking as much water. Let's just go under the eye really quick. Charlotte Tilbury powder. Brows, of course, next. That was the Wonder Brow. It's always black brown. Then we've got the Dior Show Pump and Brow. If you go to Vegas, I would bring like some kind of beauty oil or extra hydrating moisturizer, or like maybe an evening overnight mask. Yeah, if we were staying one more night, I would definitely want to put something like that on, and I don't usually put on hydrating masks or actually any facial masks, which I probably should be doing. But I have that new Drunk Elephant product that probably would have done really well here. And it's the FBALM product. After I had my makeup done by that makeup artist, I was reminded that I have similar items and I should be using them. I'm gonna line with the, I brought this, the espresso liner, Chanel. Really nice, just every day. I'm gonna smudge this out because I just want to do really quick, like casual makeup. I'm gonna tight line with it too. I like the look of this tight line. It's a little bit tricky though. It takes a few coats. I'm gonna go in with the 3D Maximizer Dior Show. And I'm gonna go with the Chanel Brown Mascara. One thing about this one though is that it doesn't build up very quickly, so I think I'm gonna take, I did bring my By Terry just for time purposes. I think I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna do some blush and bronzer. So just again tap right here, stuff all that concealer. Some of my concealer is sticking a little bit better in this dry weather. Initially when I put blush on, it looks like a lot, but then it kind of melds into the skin, so we'll go in with a little powder anyway. And I did bring a bronzer, which you might be surprised I'm using in the winter. I think because I just grabbed it. Charlotte Tilbury. Are you surprised I'm almost done?
Amazing.
And then just a little bit of the Chanel. This is the, that one. The Golden Light one. Chanel Balm. Okay, so finally I'm just gonna add lipstick. I've got the Tom Ford Indian Rose. I went and I looked at lipsticks and didn't find another shade I should have. So if you know of a good shade in the Tom Ford lipsticks, let me know. I'm really looking for a coppery one. They had a really nice one called Seventh Sin that they don't have anymore. And I didn't see anything that looked like it either. And then we've got the Clé de Peau in Sepia. I just put that on top. So really minimal makeup today. Went to Tom Ford, well actually looked at Sephora for makeup. I went to the Sisley Beauty store and they actually have a standalone store here at the Crystals, I think that's what it's called, shopping area. And didn't see anything exciting there except for maybe that powder I want to try. And then went to Tom Ford. So they have a beauty section, so if you go all the way in to the store from the inside of the mall, you've got to go all the way back. It doesn't look like there's anything that would be beauty related, but you just have to keep going through the store. I just know I had to like weave my way to the other side of the store. So I picked this up, this palette, and I know a lot of people have been doing videos on this, but I wanted to pick one up, and this one is in, it's the one in Suspicion. It comes, of course, in a little pouch. I don't know why they put these things in their pouches. Can anyone tell me why they put them in there? I mean, it's nice, but I don't think it's necessary. Maybe for shipping? I don't know. But these are the colors. Really shimmery, but I was looking at them and the shimmer looked really fine. I'll swatch it for you when I get home because I need to take a picture of it before I do that. But I thought it'd be really pretty. Of course, this is right up my alley in terms of the shades. I looked at the cooler toned one, but I just thought I wouldn't use it, so I picked one that I thought I would use. So I'll take another look with this. It just looks really beautiful for summer. I think with that Chanel Glow Balm, Golden Glow, Golden Light, that one, the one I just put on, I thought would be really nice with this. So I picked that one up and that's it. I really was hoping to get more here, but I just didn't see anything that was exciting, and I know that if I buy something just to buy something, something new will come out, and then it always works like that. So I'm just gonna be patient, because I feel like I try to plan my videos ahead of time and kind of know what I'm doing, and I really don't have anything planned for my next video. I mean, except for this will be in the next video, but after that, I'm not sure what I'll be focusing on because I've got to wait for something new to come out. But yeah, I'm excited to try that out. So a little travel outfit. This jacket, it's like a cotton linen blend, has been really versatile. So I did wear this also the other day. This is a Michael Stars, like a jersey dress. It's got a double knit in it, so it's a double layer, so it's a little bit more hefty in terms of like just the fabric being a little bit thicker. And then I just brought this one bag with me, and yeah, I've got these tennis shoes on that I had for Italy, so they're just really something I've used quite a bit, so not something I just used once. And I wore this jacket yesterday, I wore it the day before. It's really become quite a staple in my wardrobe quite quickly, so I thought that was just kind of a nice thing to throw in, and then it just looks more put together. And now we're gonna go, oh, actually, let me show you my, I'm gonna show you my makeup in the mirror so you can see what that also looks like. So there's some makeup. I feel like you can see that it glows a little bit more versus out there it looked really matte. This is what it looks like, more skin-like, and then also SPF. So that's the most important thing to me, is getting an SPF on, and then just, again, brows, lashes, and then really lips, and then concealer, and then some powder. So that's pretty much my everyday. Actually, this might be more than my everyday routine. This is how I like my skin to look, like skin. And I just feel like you couldn't see it well out there. So even if the color is off, I have to mess with the color because the light is very like warm here. At least you can see the finish of the. I'm gonna head home today, and I may or may not see you. I might check in before this. I've got to see how long the video is, really. If there's more, then I'll add more. But if there's not, then this will be it. And I hope that you enjoyed it, and that you enjoyed meeting Michelle. I mean, you only saw a little quick little snippet, but I really did enjoy meeting her. I was thinking about how nice it is that this is what YouTube can do. I think there's some things that aren't so great about YouTube, but then there are some things like this where you meet some wonderful people that you would otherwise not have met. So I think that's pretty cool. So if you enjoyed this video, if you learned something, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks.